How to create AI generated images using Google Gemini. So firstly, you can either use the web version or the mobile app version of Google Gemini to access Google Gemini. So I'm going to use my app. So access Google Gemini. So open up and then you can log into your account. If you have an account, you can just log in. And then here, once you're on Google Gemini here, you're going to type in and ask Gemini to generate image. So you're going to start off with generate an image or draw an image, something like that. So just put generate an image of uh, luxury of luxury probably luxury vehicle on the street, something like that. Generate an image of a luxury vehicle on the street, something like that. Just type in whatever instructions, just provide a brief instruction on what you want to generate. Just type in the send option here. There you go. So that's the image created by Gemini. So as I requested, a luxury vehicle on the street, so that's an image. So if you want like more detailed or specific image, specific details on the image, then you can just give more in-depth instructions to Gemini. So what you like would try to add more details to the prompt, and then you will be able to get more or a more relevant or specific image as per your requirement. And that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.